Hey guys, it's me Shreya, and today I'm going to be eating Australian food for one day. So let's get started. The breakfast that is usually eaten in Australia consists of sourdough bread, scrambled eggs, smashed avocado, and Vegemite. Vegemite is a thick, dark brown Australian food spread made from yeast extract with various vegetable and spice additives. It's time for lunch. So for lunch, I'm having meat pies and lamington. Meat pie is considered iconic in Australia. Meat pie contains minced meat and gravy with onion, mushroom, and cheese. Lamington is another very popular Australian dish eaten as dessert. It is a sponge cake filled with delicious layer of jam covered in chocolate and coconut. It's time for dinner. For dinner, I'm having chicken parmy. Chicken parmy is a dish that consists of fried chicken breast covered in tomato sauce and mozzarella or Parmesan cheese. A slice of ham is also added on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share. See you guys next time.